got rid of two solutions. First one, if you take any one of the electrolytic solution, for example, if you take copper sulfate solution, then Fe rod is put on it. It is in presence of moisture. Electrolytic solution is a moisture. Okay, in presence of two dissimilar metal or moisture with each other, induce the electrolytic solution. Second one, if you take any one of the bucket, it is filled by water. That is the iron rod is between it. That is the non-aerated part. That is the aerated part. So, in non-aerated part, it is acts as a anode. Aerated part acts as a anode. Where the concentration of aerated and non-aerated are both are same. But in which side the concentration high for oxygen? Anode side. Oxygen concentration less. Okay, cathode side oxygen concentration more. So there is the concentration of oxygen. So electrochemical corrosion also induced on the metal. Okay. So when the metal are between here, any one of the solution or any one of water, so the immersed part acts as a anode and the open part acts as a cathode. So cathode part oxygen concentration high, anode part oxygen concentration low. So there are two different conditions of electrochemical corrosion. Okay, next one. See, what is that? Mechanism. All the mechanism because see that what is that? Anode reaction, that cathode reaction. Anode. What is anode reaction? In which reaction occurs in anode? Oxidation. Oxidation. So oxidation means metal ion is converted into metal 2 plus ion by the liberation of 2 electrons. So in oxygen, electron will be liberated according to the Lewis concept. In oxygen, electron will be liberated. In cathode, in electrochemical corrosion based on the environment, there are two types of reaction occurs. First one, in acid environment, one reaction occurs. In neutral environment, another one of the reaction occurs. In acid environment, it should be hydrogen evolution type reaction occurs. In base environment, OH minus formation or absorption of oxygen reaction occurs. Absorption of oxygen reactors occurs. The main specification for hydrogen evolution is the metal which is involved in this reaction must have what is the condition? High E0 value. Okay, high E0 value because if you take the metal, see, if you take the metal, okay, this metal is between here, electrolytic solution. Should be processed under the mode of if it is included in the Fe, it is between HCl. HCl is a acid. In acidic environment, HCl data loss is no. See some list of acids. HCl, HNO3, acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, acids. Okay. So in all the acids, liberate H plus ion. Strong acids liberate more, and weak acids liberate less. That's all. More easily, weak acids liberate H plus ion least. Okay. So for this reaction, the metal which is contact with the acidic environment must have high E0 value. Already we say that. What is E0 value? Already we discussed in the electrochemistry. Okay. So just remain the EMF series. EMF series is above that hydrogen. Hydrogen. Above hydrogen, all must have that high negative reduction potential value. Reduction potential E0, EMF, these are all same. Okay. So E0 value high negative. So high negative E0 value only involve the hydrogen evolution type reaction. Not all the metals. Where how is involved this reaction? Hydrogen evolution type reaction. Say yes or no. Silver. What is the E0 value of silver? E0 value of silver is equal to 0.80 plus 0.80. Okay, where it is involved the hydrogen evolution type reaction? You understand the concept or not? E0 value high, negative only, understand, involve the hydrogen evolution type. Copper 0.34. Zinc 0.7 minus 0.77. Yes, because it should be liberated hydrogen with the acid. Hydrogen with the acid. If any one of the acid zinc rod is liquid, it should be evolved hydrogen. Okay, this evolved hydrogen will create the transubstress on the metal surfaces. Okay, that is called hydrogen evolution reaction. Second one, formation of OH minus ion. What happened? First one, think of anode reaction or cathode reaction. Anode reaction same. Fe2 plus OH minus. In cathode reaction, first reaction is OH minus formation. So atmospheric oxygen, what is reduction? In terms of electronic concept, what is reduction? Absorption electron. Okay, so oxygen absorb electron and should be converted into OH minus ion. That is the first equation. Second equation is the formation of ferrous hydroxide. What is the formula for ferrous? FeOH. Twice. Okay, third reaction is formation of ferric hydroxide. FeOH thrice. Don't say thrice. Okay, up to this one over, absorption of this one over. Next one, we are going to see about types of electrochemical reaction. There are two types of electrochemical reaction. First one, galvanic reaction. Second one, differential reaction reaction. So, now my question is, this corrosion based on which condition, this corrosion based on which condition? Already we discussed about electrochemical reaction consists of two conditions. Okay, now I write the types. There are two types of electrochemical corrosion. First one galvanic corrosion, second one differential reaction corrosion. So, when the condition will follow. So, which condition apply for galvanic corrosion? Which condition apply for differential reaction corrosion? Think and tell. What are two conditions? Two dissimilar metal, connect with each other in presence of moisture, induce electrochemical corrosion. So, this corrosion based on galvanic corrosion. This corrosion followed by the galvanic corrosion. Next one, differentiation. So based on the oxygen concentration, we have say the condition 2. So this one follow the second condition. Okay, see. First one. Anode. Cathode. More active metal act as a anode. Less active metal act as a cathode. For this reaction, more active metal act as a cathode. Mechanism is same for electrochemical corrosion. Already we discussed the previous one. Mechanism of the first electrochemical corrosion mechanism of the same for galvanic corrosion. Electrochemical corrosion mechanism. Yeah. So better on that. Based on the environment, accident also same mechanism for the volcanic eruption. Okay, next one, see.
Reaction.
Okay, very good. Listen. More active metal. What is the meaning for more active metal? In which metal? Is the papers? In which metal liberate electron more actively? That is called more active metal. Could you understand? In which metal liberate electron more actively? That is called more active metal. In which metal liberate less active for liberating electron is called less active metal. Okay, usually that V naught value is negative, that is the more active metal. V naught value negative is here, more active metal. E naught value positive is here, less active metal. Okay, then next one. Practically, I have taken some of the real-time examples. So in this example, you have differentiate what is act as a anode, what is act as a cathode. Okay. Notice. First example. Steel screw in brass. Steel screw in brass. Marine copper undergo corrosion. Marine copper undergo corrosion. What I say? Steel screw. Undergo corrosion. That means what? Just imagine this is the ship. This ship is made up of steel or what is that? Outside of the ship is made up of brass. It now consists of lot of screws itself. Listen. So this is the ship. This ship is made up of brass. Okay. So it should be consist of lot of screw itself. This screw is made of steel. This screw is made of steel. What are two metals are involved in that reaction? Corrosion. Brass means what? Silver. Brass means brass means copper. Steel means what is steel? Steel is made of chromium alloy. It is most powerful. If you take the stainless steel utensils in your home, it is made of iron plus carbon. So plus carbon, iron, etc. Okay. Stand up. So iron and also copper plus chromium. Chromium is smallest percentage. Okay. So the steel is made up of iron, copper, and also chromium. So which metal, which set is applicable for the least corrosion? What is the reason? Carbon for least corrosion. And the situation on the carbon for least corrosion. What is the reason? That is set what? That is set 2. Set 2. Why? That's all. Which condition apply? Which condition apply here? Which kind of corrosion apply here? Right. Your answer is right. Electrochemical corrosion. Because two dissimilar metals are not with each other in presence of atmosphere moisture. Okay, undergo corrosion more favorably. Here, both are the same metal. So, if it is a homogeneous material, it is a homogeneous material. That is the heterogeneous. What is the meaning for homogeneous? Both the materials are made of same material. So that is called homogeneous. Heterogeneous means that is different. So the homogeneous medium or material undergo least corrosion. The heterogeneous material are situations undergo the electrochemical corrosions. Could you understand? So next one. After this, what over? Galvanic corrosion over. For galvanic corrosion asking, you must be write the condition for. First about the electrochemical corrosion. So electrochemical corrosion about the body. First condition what? Condition 2. Anode reaction, cathode reaction experiment. Say some of the real time examples. Okay. So next one. If I ask you the question, just to see the fan. It should be having a lot of holes in itself. Okay. So if the fan is the combination of many, which metal? Iron means steel. Iron means steel. If this metal are used as a brass, where it is long-standing, applicable for long-standing or not? Yeah, where its usage is applicable long-standing or not? If these bowls are made up of copper, and is here, which kind of metal? Steel. Okay, if these bowls are made up of copper, where its usage is applicable for long time or not? Because it undergo which kind of corrosion? Electrochemical corrosion, specific. Galvanic corrosion. Electrochemical corrosion and corrosion. Galvanic corrosion. Okay, next one. See, next one we discuss about differential aeration corrosion. reaction depends